Hi, I'm Wesley Harrison.
And I'm Lebogang Sahol.
Well, welcome to the first episode of our YouTube-ready geophysics series on the AfricaArray International Geophysics Field School.
The AfricaArray International Geophysics Field School is a 3-week program where we teach or introduce people to different methods of geophysics. In the first week, they introduce to how to plan for a survey, and in the second week, they actually go out into the field where they put their planning into practice, where they also get exposed to how the different equipment work. In the last week, they take all the data they collected in the field and they process that data.
The 5 main fields of geophysics that we look into in the Geophysics Field School is magnetics, gravity, DC resistivity, electromagnetics, and seismics.
Let's go meet the brains behind the AfricaArray Field School.
My name is Ray Durheim, and I'm here at Wits and hold the chair in what they call exploration, earthquake, and mining seismology. And I have a research group that I lead together with Dr. Musa Manzi of about 30 postdocs, PhD and master's candidates. I'm co-director of a program called AfricaArray, and this is it's a research and capacity building program. We have a backbone network of 51 geophysical observatories in sub-Saharan Africa. So each station has got a broadband seismometer, and about half of them have got GPS sensors and weather stations, which also allows us to do work in the areas of atmospheric science and space weather. But a lot of our work is focused on the deep structure of the continent, geodynamics, issues related to seismic hazard and mineral resources. AfricaArray is all about building capacity in the whole of Africa. So for our AfricaArray workshop, we normally bring about 40 people down, our research associates from the rest of Africa. And amongst our research group, we have students from countries such as Madagascar and Sudan and Tanzania and the Congo and Ghana. So very much we are committed to working in Africa. And also what is very important is many of our African colleagues don't have the opportunity in their own universities to get hands-on experience with planning surveys and conducting surveys. So we see this as a real important part of improving the skills of our African colleagues.
Hi, I'm Susan Webb. I'm an associate professor here at Wits University in the School of Geosciences, and I've been here since 1994, and we've developed the field school as a way of training students how to use equipment and how to do the whole workflow of a geophysical survey. So that's been the main purpose of developing the field school. The Geophysics Field School is designed to train students in the full workflow of a geophysical program, where we actually design the survey and then we go and collect the data, and then we interpret the data in the 3rd week, and we integrate the data fully and the students present the data. But it's also a 2-tier training system, because our graduate students come in the 2nd year and they are our instructors. And so they learn about all the logistics that go on in the background. They have to match the software with the computer program and make sure it still works with the equipment. And that's quite a bit of hands-on training that people often don't get. And that's very helpful for them when they graduate. It also gives them an opportunity to teach without overburdening them with a whole course. So they teach a few lectures, and they also learn to present and design a education module for their particular method, but it's not like it's a whole semester of teaching. So between the logistics and the planning and actually taking over bits and pieces of the admin and the field school, they graduate with the ability to actually run a program. So it's a 2-tier training system that goes through the whole workflow of geophysics.